In this video, you will learn how to split cells in Excel or split one cell to multiple cells in Excel. So there are different ways how you can split the cells in Excel. So if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, then please hit the like button and please share if you think it is helpful for you. So let's start how to split cells in Excel by using text to columns in Excel. So you can split the cells by text to columns in Excel. This is the easiest method and you can learn easily and you can do it easily. So first you need to select the text, go to data, select text to columns. So here you have lot of options. So I have a separate tutorial video. You can find the video link in the description link as well. So let's say you have selected daily meted, then click on next. So here I have space, so click space and click next, and if you want the destination cells to be different, just select the cells and click finish. So now you can see here along with your header also it got splitted. If you don't want your headers, then just select the text and it will be selecting only the text. So this is text to columns in Excel. So here you have different options such as you have comma, space, other. If you have hyphen or any character, you can do the as well. So now let's understand how you can split the cells in different ways. So you can split the cells by flash fill in Excel. So if you have latest Excel versions, you can do that easily. So what is flash fill? For example, here in this case, in the names, I have written only the first name and the last name for the first line. So now I am going to select the first and select the cells and go to home tab, and here in the right you have one arrow button fill. Just click that fill and click on flash fill. So here you can see everything got splitted. Similarly, I can select the next line or text and go to flash fill and it will be filled easily. But the thing is, if you are changing the information here, it is not going to impact here because it is got already filled. So now what is the alternative method by which you can split the cells in Excel? You can also split the cells by Power Query in Excel. So this is the most useful tool and it is having lot of advantages over the others. So now how you can do that? You can select anywhere in the content, go to insert data and select from table range, so that it will go to table and create a new table. Automatically it will select the data. If it's not getting select, you can select on your own. If you have header, just tick the header. If you don't have, just untick and remove. So now click on OK. So it will create one table and it will go to your Power Query. So here what are the options we have? Here if you click on the top, you have split columns. So click on that. So you have different options. You can do lot of things. Let's say the first one by delimiter. If you click on that, so you have space, comma, equal sign, or if you have any custom hyphen or something, you can write it down as well. Here we have space, so I can select space, and here left, right, each occurrence. So you can select multiple text, so you can do that. So for me, if I select any one, it will be work for me because I have only one space. Click on OK. So now it will be splitted into two columns. So now you can rename it like first name and here last name. So now my Power Query is ready. So I have to close and load. Before close and load, you can click the down arrow. You have two options. If you directly close and load, it will convert to your table and it will give the output. But we want in different way. We want in advanced way. So you click the second options. If you select the second options, it will ask the option as whether new worksheet or existing worksheet. So existing worksheet, select anywhere in your cell. Let's say I am selecting here and click OK. So now you can see here it will generate the output. If you are making any changes, you can refresh this data and it will automatically change the output as well. So now what are the next option or next method by which we can filter or split the cells in Excel? by using your Excel formulas. So there are a lot of formulas and lot of functions you can use to split the cells in Excel. If you want to learn more about the formulas and functions, you can find the video links in the description below. So let's start with the splitting by using the formula in Excel. So first I have to identify what are the criteria or elements here. So I have text, I have space. So I have to find the space. So how I can find the space? Here you have to use equal to search. So in search option you can find whatever you want. So here I am going to find the space, and where I am going to find? I am going to find in A2. So here I can find the space in the number of 7. So now I am going to use the left function and the search function to get the first name. So here I will search like left text, comma. So this is my number of characters, but space in the number 7. I want 1 character minus, so that I don't want text along with the space, and close the bracket. So I got the first name easily. If you fill the data, it will get all the first names. So now how to get the second name? So it is little complex, but it is easy also how you can do that. So there is another function called len function. If you click len and select the text, so it will show how many characters you have. So now in search we found there is how many characters, and len we found how many total. So now we are going to divide or minus the characters. For example, in search I am going to copy that, and here I am going to minus that. So I have 5. So now I am going to use the right formula, right, open the bracket, select the text and the number of characters, and close the bracket. So now you have the last name as well. This is all about the different methods, so how you can split the cells in Excel. If you know there is any other formulas how you can split, then let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.